Hi everyone, this is Coral and I welcome you to the world of stories at Little Steps. For more stories, subscribe to the channel. Today we are going to learn the phonic sound for letter C. C makes two sounds. C says K. K as in camel. C also says S. S as in circle. So letter C says K and S. K sound words. Comb, cake, candles, cow, cat, cup. Now let's do the S sound words. Cylinder, cycle, circle, cell phone, Cinderella. Story time. Cuckoo and crow. Cuckoo and crow were friends. Cuckoo liked cupcakes. Crow liked corn. Can we all play? Asked the camel. Cuckoo, crow, and camel played catch. Can you hear something? Asked Cuckoo. No, I cannot hear anything, cried the crow. But the camel could hear someone say, meow. Oh yes, look at that cage in the corner besides the cement bag. It is a cat, said Cuckoo. Let us free her from the cage, said the crow. Where can we find the key to open the cage? Look, there it is, hanging in that circle, said Crow. The cuckoo flew to get the key, and soon they freed the cat. But they saw a cop coming towards them on a cycle. The cat hid in a cot. Crow and Cuckoo flew away. Camel covered the cot with a coat so the cop cannot see the cat. Camel was calm till the cop rode away far on his cycle. They were happy to save the cat. Cat called Cuckoo, Crow, and Camel to a farm where they met a cow. They were all friends now. And at last, they cut a cake to celebrate their new friendship. What a fun ceremony!